Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming you're signed in as the meeting organizer. This gives you the controls needed. Once in the room, make sure the participant list and host badge appear so you have authority to end the call. If you joined from multiple devices, keep only one active host session open to avoid confusion. Now that you're confirmed as host, move directly to the meeting controls in the next step to end the meeting for everyone. Open the More menu or the People pane to reveal host options. These menus contain the command you need. Once visible, choose End Meeting for All or Hang Up for Everyone. This command disconnects participants and stops the session. Make sure you read the confirmation dialog because it prevents accidental termination. After you confirm, Google Meet will close the meeting and remove connections. Verify that the meeting room shows as ended, so participants can't rejoin without a new link. After command execution, confirm the room displays as ended and that chat and audio are disabled to ensure everyone was disconnected. If someone remains connected due to a client glitch, remove that participant manually, then issue End Meeting again. Make sure the host's client is online and refreshed. If your account lacks the End Meeting option, check the admin console permissions or sign out and back in with the organizer account, because permission settings often block host controls.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.